Are you looking for the traveler's choice luggage? In this video we will show 5 best luggage for travelers. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. Amazon Basics 26-inch Hardside Medium Checked Luggage. Hardshell suitcase with wheels, expandable for up to 15% more space, with scratch-resistant surface, for multi-directional wheels, color, orange. Efficient design, medium size best for 1 to 2 week trips, measures 17.8 by 11.3 by 26.8 inches, including wheels. Durable and reliable, extra thick hard shell with scratch-resistant finish guards against impact and rough handling. Expandable, increase packing space up to 15% for added flexibility and organization. Organized interior, keep essentials organized with an interior divider and 3 zippered pockets. Effortless travel, navigate with ease thanks to 4 multi-directional wheels, telescoping handle, and short lift handle. Number 2. Classic 3-piece luggage. Set lightweight hard-side suitcase. TSA lock spinner wheels, 20-inch expandable carry-on luggage with quick access front open pocket for travel business, 20/24/28 inch. Color, black. 2-year limited warranty. Keytang luggage sets, including large suitcases and carry-on, are rigorously tested to surpass the highest quality standards. Upgraded luggage sets include 20-inch carry-on luggage with quick access front open pocket, 24 check-in suitcase, 28 large luggage. Stylishly designed for effortless travel. 3-piece luggage set, expandable design for 20% more load capacity. For 360 degrees dual spinner wheels provide the suitcase with effortless mobility, and the suitcase has been re-engineered to be lightweight. The best performance YKK brand zippers applied on the luggage set. TSA locks provide 100% protection for your luggage and carry-on suitcase. Expandable design for 20% more load capacity for the 3PCS luggage set. For 360 degrees dual spinner wheels provide the suitcase with effortless mobility, and it has been re-engineered to be lightweight. Exceptional value, the Keytang luggage sets stand out as the most valuable choice, rigorously tested to meet stringent standards, ensuring superior quality and durability. Number 3. Joyway 20-inch carry-on luggage. With front pocket. PC hardshell carry-on suitcase with USB port and cup holder, 21.5 by 14.2 by 9 airline approved, luggage with spinner wheels and TSA lock. Color, white. Lightweight sturdy protectors, this hardside luggage is made of PC material and corner protectors. It provides multiple sturdy protections against impacts and includes a luggage cover, ensuring your luggage stays intact during your travels. Multifunctional smart luggage, built-in USB port for charging your computer or cell phone to stay charged while traveling. Folding cup holder and hook let you free your hands and avoid carrying extra items. Front laptop compartment, the front pocket design gives you quick access to your laptop and other important items for security or connecting flights. Recommended maximum laptop size is 15.6 inches. When the front pocket is full, the main compartment space will be smaller. Airline approved, 20-inch luggage measures 21.5 inch x 14.2 x 9. 0.5 inch, including wheels and handles, weight, 9.5 lb, capacity, 33 L. Carry-on luggage airline approved and fit in the overhead cabin, perfect for short business trips and in weekend getaways. Larger interior space, equipped with wide trolley bars to improve space utilization and add more storage space for you. Our 20-inch carry-on suitcase features additional inner lining compartments, allowing you to neatly organize your items. TSA lock and silent wheels, TSA-approved combination lock keeps your valuables safe while traveling. Features a 360 degrees silent swivel wheel design that glides easily through airports and busy streets for a smooth travel experience. Number 4. LOVEVOOK 20-inch carry-on suitcases with wheels. PC hardshell carry-on luggage airline approved 22 by 14 by 9, 360 degrees spinner luggage with USB port, TSA lock, front tech pocket, lightweight for travel. Dimension: this 20-inch carry-on luggage measures 20.9 inch x 13.8 x 9, includes wheels, and weighs only 6.9 pounds, with a spacious 45L capacity. Designed as a 22 by 14 by 9 airline-approved suitcase, it fits in most overhead bins. Whether you're boarding domestic or international flights, this small suitcase with wheels is perfect for short business trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes. Lightweight and durable, made from 100% polycarbonate (PC), this hardshell suitcase offers excellent durability without the extra weight. Ideal for those seeking a lightweight carry-on luggage option, it's perfect for frequent flyers who need a strong, compact suitcase that's easy to handle yet tough enough for any trip. USB charging port: stay powered up on the go with this carry-on luggage with USB port. Plug your power bank inside and charge your phone or tablet anytime. It's a smart feature for modern travelers who rely on tech, and makes this carry-on suitcase an excellent choice for business or leisure. Power bank not included. Laptop-friendly front compartment: this carry-on luggage with laptop compartment features a padded 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, a 9.7 tablet pocket, mesh compartments, and document organizers, all in the front pocket. No need to open your entire hardside luggage at security. Stay organized and efficient throughout your journey. Organized interior design: the main compartment of this spinner carry-on luggage includes a mesh pocket and a wet pocket for separating clean clothes, shoes, or toiletries. With its smart internal layout, this 20-inch suitcase with wheels helps you pack more efficiently and access everything with ease. Number 5. Hanke 20-inch carry-on luggage with cup holder in charge, top-opening hard-shell suitcases with wheels and dividers, aluminum frame trunk luggage small suitcase with lock for travel, interstellar. Color: blue. Trunk-style luggage with dividers: the trunk luggage with spinner wheels is integrated deep storage carry-on suitcase with flexible dividers and dry-wet separation pockets inside, ensuring orderly storage of items. The size of the 20-inch suitcase overall dimensions is L13.64*, W10.2*, H 21.8 inch, include handles, wheels and protective feet. Packing dimensions is L12.3*, W19*, D9. Capacity is almost equal to 34.8 L, weight 8.2 lb. It's a carry-on luggage airline approved that fit in the overhead cabin. Multifunctional holder: this carry-on with cup holder is convenient to place drinks, water bottle, etc. And amazingly, the hard case luggage has a phone/iPad holder on the handle, and it also be as a hook while traveling to hang your bag, U-shaped pillow. Quick charger port. This carry-on luggage with charger built-in USB and Type-C charger port. You only need to connect the power bank to the cable in the pocket inside, and the travel suitcase will provide you with a more convenient way to charge your electronic devices on the trip. Save space and effort: the top-opening carry-on luggage is a real space saver in a tight space compared to a suitcase that zips open in the middle and has to spread out, and the top-opening luggage can be opened easily with one hand, is user-friendly for elder, children and someone with less effort strength. Secure and durable: our aluminum carry-on luggage is crafted from PC hard shell with anti-scratch texture, aluminum frame and design with sturdy zipper and TSA luggage-approved lock provides security during international travel. In addition, this small suitcase with wheels fit for most road and adjustable telescopic handle with multiple height positions in use. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.